Alright guys, so today let's make some native sauce. One thing I like about this sauce is that it can go with rice, yam or potato. So to start with, I have my red oil, just a little quantity of red oil, heat it up and add some fish. It's already pre-cooked fish. I'll just fry it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then I'll go ahead and add onions and some fresh pepper and some salt. Okay, so after I've added this, I'll still give it a stir, allow it to cook for another 1 minute. Then I'll go ahead and add crayfish. I don't want the pepper and the onions to get too done. I just want it to have done. So after I've added the crayfish, I'll add extra oil so it can be tasting fresh. I don't want the oil to be too cooked. So that's why I'm adding this extra oil to taste. Then I'll fry it more, just on a low heat. Give it another stir for another 1 minute. And our sauce is ready. Yes, I've tried this a couple of times with rice, with boiled yam, with potato. It is so yummy. Like you can never go wrong with this. Please give this a try. It's very simple to make in less than 5 minutes. Once you have your ingredients ready, you're done. All right.